Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Marek's car coolant just blew up.
Yeah.
Yeah, lovely.
Simply lovely.
Hey, had to tell her she should act right. She just wanna talk about the time we had last night.
The ribbon, your feelings. The way she suck my soul, I need some spiritual healing. Grab the ribbon, your feelings. The way she suck my soul, I need some spiritual healing. Grab the ribbon, your feelings. The way she suck my soul, I need some spiritual healing. Grab the ribbon, your feelings. The way she suck my soul, I need some spiritual healing. Boy, give you all the power, like oh Lord, give me just.
So, as you can see, it's just smoking, and yeah, so we were going down the road here, and
I went over a bump and
went over the bump right there. Yeah, you can see where it all started right there.
Yeah.
Went over a bump, and I looked back, and all of a sudden, white smoke everywhere.
it busted.
What are your thoughts on your coolant blowing up?
I don't know, but I think it's pretty cold outside.
Yeah. I mean, I thought it burst into flames at first. I saw your smoke and I was like, his car's about to blow up. And then, yeah, here's the new car anyway. My new car.
Let's do a tour.
Chevy Impala has an automatic start to it. So you do that, and then that. So this doesn't blow up. All right, so tell me what's happening now. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay.
It's broken!
It blew up! Hey, at least you're safe.
At least it's massive.
You know what else is massive?
Oh.
Okay, so what are your thoughts on this, sir?
Pretty bad. Pretty not Sigma.
Yeah, not Sigma at all. Does it still run?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we just throw some coolant in there and drive off?
Yeah, no.
Who told you that? It was good. Where'd you guys go?
Huh?
Where'd you guys go?
I mean,
Did you check the coolant?
Grease Monkey. They lied.
Shame on Grease Monkey. Well, I guess we're not picking up that shopping cart today. Yeah, so we were going to pick up a shopping cart and do a fire extinguisher video where we put fire extinguishers on a shopping cart and just use them and go around everywhere. But that ain't happening today. I mean, it could still happen.
Yeah.
We could fit a shopping cart in here. Yeah, we could. 100%. No, Paula got it. But yeah, so that wasn't supposed to happen.
I want to at least put it in a parking spot so it doesn't,
Get towed. Yeah, we can. This is parking here. I want to push it.
Yeah, might as
Yeah,
well.
let's push it. Ready?
Yep. 3, 2, 1. Oh, that's a lot of coolant. Keep pushing.
So you could kind of. This is where the coolant goes into. So.
Close on it like something's gonna.
Well, I don't want to inhale coolant into my lungs. I just.
This is great.
This is amazing.
It's gone
So,
I swear.
why do you not go 50 over speed?
I wasn't going 50 over a speed bump. I was going like.
You were going 50. Well, tell him Marek's car now. Alright, so Marek and I are now going out to get a shopping cart, and we're gonna fit it in the Impala because Marek's car blew up, so we can't fit it in there.
We couldn't drive it there.
No, yeah, we couldn't, yeah. Not stupid, chat.
It's cute.
I swear I just saw a deer running in the air. Was literally running in the air and I slammed on the brake. Let's do a speed test. Ready? I'm gonna pull out in front of this car and buy a unicorn.
What did he say?
Yeah, good. You should be scared. should be scared.
I hope you blow it. I'm kidding.
No.
I hope you blow it too.
I'm gonna blow my tube. I'm not bad luck, okay?
Subaru, your dad's truck, Kayla's car, my car. All with you, Ian.
All with me in 100 feet proximity.
Yeah.
That's actually, yeah, she did. My dad's truck did stop working when I was close to it. Girlfriend did crash when I wasn't close to it. When I was close to it.
Car blew up.
When I was close to it.
So, how the heck are you? I hop in and I go out the back, and there's a shopping cart near the dumpster.
Yeah.
So I'm like, okay, well that's pretty cool. I let it sit there for a couple days, and it doesn't go anywhere. So I'm just like, yeah, I'll take it.
All right, cool.
So
It's abandoned property.
it was abandoned. It was not stolen.
Okay.
It did
So,
did not come from Fred Meyer. Just want to make that very clear.
There's no emblems that.
Yeah,
would you happen to take off like a couple cents just because it's dented here? I mean,
Oh yeah.
yeah,
It's
like a couple,
I mean,
a couple dollars
I
maybe.
I put in the description a scratch and dent special.
Oh.
So,
Oh, okay.
so, you know, it's,
Yeah.
It's free?
Sure.
So, could I maybe get a little lower than free?
What are you thinking? You tell me. You're the customer.
I am. I'm thinking, say, -$5. Can we do a deal here?
So -$5. So what you're basically saying, you're paying me to take it off my hands. Is that correct?
No, you're paying me.
To take it off your.
$5.
Yeah, so you're giving me the $5.
Oh.
Negative of your $5.
That's what's going on here.
Let's see.
See.
Let me go check something
Okay.
real quick.
I think we're gonna get it. I think we're gonna get it.
Oh no.
Let's see.
Do you think we're gonna get it?
I think she likes the steal.
Let me just check in the good old kangaroo ball.
Yeah.
Australia.
Okay.
So I don't know if I don't know if there's any. There might be some coins that you can take.
Oh, you go. Yeah,
It's
that's
okay.
okay. That's okay. Feed the birds.
Yeah, right.
Why does he have a kangaroo ball sack?
Wait. What is that right there?
Oh.
I'll take the money.
Merry Christmas.
Happy Hanukkah.
Nice doing business with y'all.
Good to see you.
Yeah.
You need help getting in?
We got this.
Yeah.
Can we lay the seat down?
I don't know. I just bought this one. Facebook, okay?
Okay, sounds good.
So, pick the front end up, and I'll grab the bottom.
Okay, you know, maybe there's hope. You just gotta push down on the seat. Yeah, don't worry about the seats.
1, 2, 3. Oh,
Yeah.
that's it.
That's not going anywhere. Maybe if we, you got a red flag I could hang out on the trunk seat?
Let me take a look.
Maybe if we just.
We could definitely lay it sideways. Try and lay it sideways.
All
right.
I'm just gonna do a quick little dry test real quick, make sure this works.
Yeah, let's test this out.
So, I don't really know what's going on here. So,
Doing business with you.
all right. Well, it's good doing business with you.
Well, we just got home and you left the shopping cart here for us. Thanks, Jordan. We appreciate you.
Thank you, George.